Bigyan natin kay Phoenix.
Mag-camera ka na lang yan. Magulo ka eh.
Bakit umuwi na? Umuwi na si ano?
Meron na tol.
Ikot lang? Ay, bola.
Tinig na eh.
Alan, JB in the middle. Looking for a receiver. JB goes to the left. Gives it to Alan. Alan drives to the middle. Shot, no good. Rebound by Alan. Blocked by WJ. Jonas Tasasi gives it to Jepoy. Jepoy to Lakay. And shot, rebound by WJ. WJ to Jepoy. Jepoy miss. Rebound by Lakay. Lakay. Jepoy to JB Rom. JB Rom to Jonas. Jonas to Lakay. No good. Rebound by Alan.
Alan, that's Papa P.
Yeah. Papa P. JB. Dribbling. Goes to the right. Gives it to Dade. Dade to Papa P. Papa P to Ekman. No good.
Boarding mo!
Double J. Bringing the ball down, gives to Lakay. Lakay gives back to WJ. Double J. Jepoy. Jepoy to Lakay and shot. No good. JB. Shots.
Manila tayo,
Jepoy goes to the middle. Gives it to Lakay. Lakay back to Jepoy. Jepoy to WJ. No good. Rebound by Papa P. JB. Attacks the right side and a foul by Jonas. JB to Renwell in the middle. Renwell fires. No good. Rebound by Jepoy. Jepoy goes to the middle. Give it to Lakay. Lakay shot. No good. Rebound by Dade. Dade to Alan. Papa P. No good. Rebound by JB. Alan. Papa P. No good.
Gamit ang glass, Papa. Gamit ang glass, Papa P, ha? Papa P.
Board lang yun.
Baba! Depensa!
No good. Rebound by Jeff. Jeff to Alfred. Dade goes to the right. Looking for Renwell. Renwell goes to the middle and fires. No good. Rebound by Jepoy. Jepoy goes to the middle. Steal by Dade. JB to the middle. Yes, sir.
Yes! Marami nun!
25-26.
Depensa!
Jepoy to WJ on the right side. WJ fires. No good. Rebound by JB Rom. JB Rom to Lakay and fires. No good. Rebound by Jepoy. Jepoy to Jonas. Jonas fires. Yes, sir! 3 points. The assassin.
Pre, bakit hindi ko nakikita si Jepoy sa camera?
JB drives to the right. Gives it to Dade.
Alan! Yes!
Incredible follow-up by Alan. Papa P.
One-hander!
Inaliwa, mga kaibigan. Binigay si Jay to Jepoy. Jepoy to Lakay and shot! Yes! Mr. Longbong!
Pre, assist by Jepoy. Assist by Jepoy. Lamang ka na.
Naman ka na kay Phoenix, tol, isa.
Baby in the middle.
Uy, lobat. Lobat to.
Give it to Papa P. Papa P to Tate. Foul.
Lobat eh, oh.
WJ.
Jay!
Lobat.
Robot, tol.
Okay na?
Okay lang,
Lobat
hindi
eh.
na kukuha yung mga assist nyo, tol.
Sayang yung highlight mo, bro!
Bahala kayo, hindi ko nire-record na assist nyo sa yellow.
Ayun, oh.
Hindi ko kayo record yung mga stats ng yellow, tol.
Ang may 5 minutes pa pala.
Okay. First shot. Good.
Pasok nyo si Manganor para mag-all na.
Shoot mo! Sunday ka mamaya!
Yes, sir. Second shot. 29-32. Jonas Sasasi. Bringing the ball to WJ. WJ to J. Jerome. In the middle, back to J. Jerome. J. Jerome gives it to WJ. WJ to James. Blocked by Jeff. Rebound by Mancanor. No. Rebound by Ramel.
Baba, Jeff!
Bringing the ball on the right side. Gives it to Alfred. That's the shot. No good. Rebound by Jonas the Assassin. Gives it to Mancanor. No good. Rebound by Jamie. Jamie to Ramel. Beep beep.
Nasa yun, pare!
Wow, si Ferrer.
Foul.
False na.
Jay Ferrer.
Lapit konti, men!
False na. Isa pa lang si
Jamie to Alfred. Alfred to Papa P. Papa P to Jeff. Jeff to Remwell. In the middle. Foul. Naku po. No.
Okay lang yun.
Oh no.
Kaya lang.
Tama ng mga tuhod natin eh. Sumeme. Ay, ba na?
Labas na lang.
Kumakain na naman yun.
Nasaan ang ice pack mo? Bigyan mo ice pack mo.
Ice pack, hindi ko muna doon eh. Tapos meron ako doon yung ano.
Nasaan ba yung ice pack mo?
Wala, hindi ko dinala. Hindi yung ano, meron ako dyan yung ano. Yung waka meron din sa loob ng ano. Sa loob ng ano na ref. Tawag mo si Mancanor. Ay, nandun pa sa loob.
Sure ball!
Oh, you did. Oh, you did.
Na-turn yun. Baba! Corner!
Uy! Assist, Dennis. 2 points, CJ. Assist, Dennis. Assist, Dennis. 2 points, Jay. Assist, Dennis. Ow! Sus, ginoo.
Ilang rate na mga shoot doon?
Sarap. 30-30.
Corner!
George!
Baba! Yay! Diretso! Ganun ba? Maraming ganun bro, maraming ganun.
nagpasa?
Si ano?
Si JB.
Yan, 432.
34-32.
Corner!
Puro diretso lang ang tira. Sila diretso niya diretso.
Oh, yeah, JB. JB, tingin. Ikaw, kanan.
Nice! Uy!
One minute!
Wala ice water na pre doon pre, pero yung ice ano yun?
Ara! Corner!
Hindi mo yan, no?
Binigay ko na.
Corner, ala!
Towel, Fred. Sabi ko balutin yung towel.
Short.
Wala na puso niyo.
Wala na pala. 36-32. 40 seconds.
40 seconds!
Wala, naglolo ko yung camera niya. Mel, walang record.
Hindi, bayan mo na.
Okay lang yan. Hindi, may 11 minutes. 11 minutes pa yung battle.
Tira.
Yo!
Hey, seconds!
Taas kamay, taas kamay.
Yo! Well, oh. Gilid mo.
Go, 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 go! Back na, back na!
Sabaw kay Jack.
Dilaw. Yellow ball. Yellow ball, oy! Wala kayo, yellow ball! Yellow ball, pasok!
Sobra.
Oy, anim kayo! Ayun na, pasok na, Ben. Pasok. Yellow ball!
Wala ka. Ayaw mo na tayo. Black.
The ball is here.
Word pattern na.
Rep! Change the court! Second half time, pre. Dito sa kanila kanina. Dito sa kanila, Chong eh. Ito ba tayo mga official?
Hindi, siya nagbigay. Sinabi ko dito eh. Yellow ball!
Huwag namin, di ba sumutot?
Bola nyo, Jay!
Hindi pa rin pumasok sa inyo eh. Binigay na sa inyo.
Score ng yellow.
Sinabi ko ng yellow ball kanina pa eh. 18.
Yan na!
Oli ba? Oli.
Fourth down.
Puta. Drama to na. Pang drama king. Offensive foul. Patay.
Rebound by Abel. Abel pushes to JB. JB goes to the right. JB to Rene. But gives it to Abel. Abel picks. Gives it to JB. JB to Joel. Joel shot.
Good!
Not good. Rebound by Papa P. Lost ball by WJ. Papa P gives it to Rene.